Welcome to YouTube channel Concept Mastery by Sajid. In today's lecture, we will discuss MCQs from this chapter. First, in CSR reporting, stakeholder evaluate company not only by financial performance but also by the correct answer is non-financial indicator. A CSR report that focuses mainly on one aspect, environment or health safety, is classified as the correct answer is single report. Reading for investment uses CSR report mainly to assess. The correct answer is social and environmental risks and opportunities. Reputation capital is best described as. The correct answer is public trust accumulated through CSR ethical action. The CSR principle includes all except the the correct answer is refinance. Investor may value CSR more in service because the correct answer is services often have variable quality and higher. Retail CSR human responsibility is linked with the correct answer is fair trade. Retail CSR product responsibility is linked with the correct answer is user friendly information. Longer supply chain tends to the correct answer is increase social risk like child labor and pollution. A producer's human right violation can harm the retailer through spillover, spillover to retailer perception and loyalty. HRM is closely tied to CSR mainly because HR deal with the correct answer is people side issues and ethical social workplace, which is mentioned as a green practice at the individual level, carpooling and switching off appliances after work. HR's mediating role in CSR includes ensuring the correct answer is public disclosure matches internal employee treatment. Banking CSR aspect emphasize includes all except eliminating transparency. The correct answer is eliminating transparency. Bank clients expect the correct answer is secure products and correct information. CSR reporting is important because stakeholders evaluate companies using only the correct answer is financial and non-financial indicators. One benefit of CSR reporting listed is transparency and supervision of CSR activities. The correct answer is transparency and supervision of CSR activities. A CSR report should be comprehensive, systematic, and show the correct answer is continuous innovation. Third party assurance statement primarily verify. The correct answer is the reliability of CSR reporting processes. Traditional CSR communication is described as often. The correct answer is unidirectional and oriented toward disseminations. A key platform that remains significant for CSR communication is the corporate website. Correct answer is a corporate website. GRI is described as focusing on. The correct answer is environmental, social, and governance factor with stakeholder engagement. CDP plus CDSP primarily relates to environmental disclosure, greenhouse gases, water, forestry, and mainstream reporting alignment. That is the correct answer. ISO 26000 is a guidance standard not certifiable. The correct answer is a guidance standard. ISO 26000 principles include all except the correct answer is price fixing. That is not the responsibility of ISO 26000 but other are. AA 1000 core principle includes the correct answer is inclusivity, materiality, responsiveness, and impact. Next, transformational leadership emphasize. The correct answer is vision, values, and intellectual stimulation. Next is servant leadership emphasize serving other and prioritizing their interests. Next, ethical leader use power to serve follower and organization. Ethical leadership response to criticism is to encourage critical evaluation. That is the correct answer. Encourage critical evaluation. The next is ethical communication involves. The correct answer is choice, values, and consequences. That is the correct answer. Deceptive communication involves. The correct answer is deliberately misleading messages and euphemism to conceal defects. That's the correct answer. Next, misuse of free expertise and contest refer to. The correct answer is using unrewarded ideas later without. The next is followership ethics is crucial because follower may face unethical requests from. That is not correct. The correct answer is leader A. A major ethical pitfall of social media noted is the correct answer is privacy issues and misunderstanding public versus private spaces. The next is harassment becomes unlawful when it becomes a condition of employment or create hostile environment. That is the correct answer. The next one is ethical leadership can fail when. The correct answer is leader vision conflict with business mission or is unsupportable. The last is how many goals have been set by United Nations Sustainability Development Goals. There are 17 uh, sustainability goals. Now move to the short question. These are the short questions that are very important related to final term exam. All are taken from three chapter CSR reporting chapter, CSR in various business areas, and the other one components of business ethics. Best of luck.